The Seng Samla Mawmluh inter-block football tournament concluded on November 24, 2023 with NPP member Ransom Sutnga representing North Shillong as the chief guest. The event was attended by the Sirdar of Mawmluh, K Wanlang, members of the Dorbar Shnong Mawmluh and Seng Samla Mawmluh, among others. In the final match, Korla Syntiew Football Club emerged victorious, securing the winning trophy with a 1-0 score against Spa Football Sports Club.